Hey guys, welcome to your favorite channel. So today I'm going to show you how to put some comments into your SQL code. So let's say that I have a code like this from item table. Okay. And I'm going to execute that code right now. This is our result. And let's say that we would like to put, let's say something like is some comment. And because of these two minuses, our SQLite is going to ignore this line while executing. Let me show you how that works. You see, nothing has been changed. And what if you would like to have multiple lines? You are going to use /**, and at the end you are going to use */ and now you could type multiple lines of comments. Like this. And if you execute this, you see no changes in our result. So that's all for now, guys.